Hi everyone, so today we will learn how to naming an alcohol compound. So basically in naming a compound or a species, a molecule given is that you must to know what is the functional group. So for this case, the for this question, the questions already told that it is the species of the compound is alcohol. So the suffix for alcohol, basically the naming of alcohol based on IUPAC nomenclature is almost the same with alkane. We only change the suffix into the suffix for alcohol will become all and with all. All means the alcohol, this all. And then okay, so we will look at the first question. First step to find the longest carbon chain, which is parent chain. So we'll try all from the left hand side. Also we'll try. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So longest carbon chain. If we try for this side, we got 7. But if we try from other side, let's say this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only 6 carbon. And then if we try from this side, we make this is the first carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where we get the longest carbon chain, which is 8. So we choose this one as the parent chain. Okay, so this is longest carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you must able to make things go easier. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, for to find the longest carbon chain, you must for alcohol you must find a carbon with hydroxy group OH bonded to it. Okay, and then other substituents, we must also naming the substituents, give the name to the substituents. This is CH2 CH3, so this is CH3. The other substituents, we got 2 substituents here for the question A. This is ethyl, 2 carbon, and this is methyl, 1 carbon substituent. And then the naming will start with from the last name or the suffix. I usually name it as start here all. So we got 8, right? So 8 stands for oct, OCT, octan. Okay, so octan, change E to A, becomes A, and then you just add the suffix, which is OL for the sorry, it's not changed. Just remove the A and then put the suffix octan, all, the suffix which is all. Okay, all means that the species is the functional group is alcohol, or the compound is alcohol. So octanol, this is the longest carbon chain name, octanol, a carbon with OH attached to it, 8 carbon octan. And then look at the position of OH. It's bonded to the third carbon at the third carbon on the third carbon. So put number 3 octanol, and then other substituents, which are ethyl and methyl. So ethyl located at the fourth carbon, and then methyl located at the fifth carbon. So we put 4 ethyl and then 5 methyl. Sorry, 5 methyl. So this is this is the name. If you start naming this compound from, if you make this as the first carbon, but if you make this carbon as the first carbon, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, the name will become different, which is 6 octanol, and then 5 ethyl, methyl is 4, 5 ethyl, 4 methyl, 6 octanol. Aduh, sorry. Okay, this, astaga. Okay, 5 methyl, 6 octanol. Okay, right. This is the name if you make this as the first carbon. So which one is the correct? The red one or the blue one? The answer is the red one. Why? Because, okay, first you must to name the alcohol or the compound by following the alphabetical order, which is E comes first before M, A B C D E F G H I J K L M. Okay, and then the second rules is that you must to make sure it will get the lowest number, which is 4 plus 5 plus 3 become 12. Okay, but for the blue one, 5 plus 4 plus 6, 11 plus 4, so it is 15. So due to these two reasons, it is wrong. So the name for this compound would be 4 ethyl, 5 methyl, and 3 octanol. That's all for question 1A, and then we will look at the question B. Forgot to share with you 4 ethyl and 5 methyl, which is the location of the substituents. These are called as the prefix. And this is the suffix. No, all suffix. Okay, settle for question number A, and then we'll look at question B. For question B, this is a cycloalcohol or cycloalcohol with 2 OH. A compound with 2 OH, we call it as a diol species with 2 OH. If a compound consists of 3 alcohol, the species is called as triols. That's all. So we'll start naming this compound. The carbon attached or bonded to OH is as the first carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6-membered rings or 6-membered carbon, 6 carbon ring, cyclo. So OH is located at the first carbon and the fourth carbon. Same goes if you start this as the first carbon, second, third, fourth, you get the same thing. And then because of this compound, for question B, composed of up carbon and down carbon, the stereochemistry, so it is a trans compound. The final answer will be trans 1,4-cyclohexanediol. The trans must be italic. Trans dash 1, 4 dash cyclohexanediol. A species containing 2 OH group hydroxy groups are called as or known as diol. Cyclo because it is a cyclo compound, cycloalcohol. Hexane because it contains 6 carbon in this cyclo compound. And then 1,4 defined the location or the positions of the 2 OH groups where it is located. And then we will look at the question number C. What about C? Find the first step also the same. Find the longest carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 4 is butan. And then this is a cis compound because both are up carbons, both are upwards with 2 OH. So this compound or this species also known as diol. And the final result will become cis 2 3 cis dash 2 comma 3 dash butanediol. Butane because it is 4 carbon, the longest change, and then diol, a species with 2 hydroxy groups, OH groups, and then this determines the location, the position of the OH. That's all for question C, and then we'll look at the question D. This is a cyclo. Okay, I forgot to add for question number C. This is a chiral alcohol. It is symmetry. So if you start from the right hand side to the left hand side, this is the first, second, third, and fourth carbon. And if you start from the left hand side to the right hand side, means that this first, two, second, third, and fourth, you will get the same name, also cis 2,3-butanediol, because this alcohol is symmetry. It is a chiral alcohol, symmetry alcohol. For question number D, is a 5-carbon ring cycloalcohol. So it will become cyclopentanol at the suffix. While for the stereochemistry, this is up carbon, this is this is down carbon dashed wedged dash line, and then this is up carbon wedged solid line. So it will become trans dash 3. Why 3? Because a carbon containing OH group or bonded to OH as the first carbon, we must name it as the first carbon, and then this is the second and the third carbon, fourth, fifth carbon. If we start from the other side, let's say this is first and then the second, third, and then the fourth, then the fifth, this okay, this substituent we located at the fourth carbon, which is not lowest number. 4 is bigger than 3, so we must consider the red one. Okay, this substituent is called as isopropyl with 2 methyl group CH3 located at the third carbon on the third carbon, so it will become trans 3 isopropyl cyclopentanol. And I think that's all. Thank you.